Ridge vents are one of the best ways to keep your attic cool and dry, but you gotta know how they work with gable vents before you mess up your roof ventilation. So, ridge vents run right along the peak of your roof and let hot air escape naturally, which helps keep your whole house cooler and stops moisture from building up. If you're thinking about gable vents, those are the ones on the sides of your house near the roof's peak. They blow fresh air in or let it out, depending on how the wind's blowing. The key is making sure the ridge vent and gable vents aren't fighting each other. You want air to flow smoothly. Fresh air comes in through the soffit vents low on the roof, rises up through your attic, and then escapes through the ridge vent at the top. If you have gable vents too, they should complement that flow, not block it. One tip is to keep gable vents closed if you've got a ridge vent setup that's working well, or at least make sure they're screened to stop bugs and critters. Another thing, check your attic insulation so it's not blocking any of the vents, because that kills airflow. Also, when you're picking contractors to fix or install vents, double check they know the right way to do it so you're not stuck with a ventilation system that doesn't work. One of the biggest mistakes with ridge vent function and gable vent compatibility is installing both without considering airflow, which ends up causing poor attic ventilation and higher energy bills. Fix that by having a pro evaluate your whole system before adding or changing vents. Another common issue is blocking soffit vents with insulation or debris, which stops fresh air from getting in and ruins how well your ridge vent works. You can fix this by clearing out any blockages and making sure insulation is installed properly. The third problem is using gable vents that are too big or left open when you have ridge vents, which can cause air to bypass the ridge vent and mess up attic temperature control. The easy fix is to use smaller gable vents, or close them off if ridge vents are already doing their job. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like roof ventilation. Contractors also get a hand finding legit work through the site, so everyone wins when it's time to get things done right.